I'm here. Here's the Benson.
What? No wonder you're like keeping it on.
We're going to not Topgolf.
12 seconds. That was never a thing.
I really do want this fish. Welcome to day 3 of my Florida trip. I'm currently in the car while Benson's in Walgreens. I'm doing my makeup in the car, so we got a later start to the day. It is 1 p.m. We're gonna head to his house so we can have some food, and then we are doing not Topgolf, Drive Shack today. I don't know if we're doing shopping today, what's going on. I figured I'd start the vlog right now. Thought that old man walking in the back was Benson for a second.
Bro, Tracy too. Oh, should I use my Air Forces or should I use my Metcons?
No.
What should I use? My Air Forces or my Metcons?
I kind of like the Metcons.
Como Trecito. Como Trecito.
The vlog? Auntie, twice. Let's ride.
I put too much energy into feeding you.
Wow. Wow. She's my Me and X got to the side. Alright. Xavier goes to stride. Go for the easy balls. Vlog started.
Head south on James L. Turnage Boulevard.
There you go, internet. Mr. Force. Oh shit. We're going to, what's it called?
Drive Shack.
Drive Shark.
Shack.
Oh, Drive. I don't know, I was thinking shark. Do they have sharks in it? We're going to not Topgolf.
We're going to Topgolf, but not really Topgolf. Drive Shack in Palm Beach.
I like it on
All
vlog
right.
when we bowl, we're hitting some strikes.
I should have.
Alright. Drive Shack. I almost said Topgolf. I am currently winning because I'm really good at golf.
We literally did it all for you.
Hey Anthony, you should really catch up to me. I get it.
I don't want to hear it.
You're,
I'm a contributor of that. I hate it.
you're just not as good as me. Doing somewhere.
You want me to record you doing it?
Oh, she's doing it already.
But this is on your phone though.
That's how much.
You got 12 seconds.
Let me get one last one. Come on.
You gotta run, Anthony. You gotta run. Oh, appreciate it. Thank you.
I won.
You won without playing a game.
Because I'm that talented.
Okay. Stay safe. Drive safe. Let me know when you get there. I'll be showering probably. Let me know when you
Okay, bye. I'm realizing I didn't show you guys my outfit today. I wore some purple Lulus, and this Disney on Acid shirt is from Uniqlo. Cute. These shorts are new. I love them. Tell me, are you one of those crazy people like me who unpacks their stuff on a trip? Close the blinds. So I don't feel creeped out. The last 2 nights Benson has been staying with me. He's working tomorrow. He's staying at his place. However, I paid for an Airbnb by the beach for a reason. You can tell I my eye was getting irritated, so I kept having to rub it, and my mascara is smudged everywhere. It is I think 11:30, and the last 2 days we've been going to bed way too late because we've been getting back to the Airbnb way too late. So I'm definitely due for a long rest where I am not woken up to go hang out with people. I just want to wake up naturally and just go to the beach. I also did not feel well at Drive Shack. We usually go to Topgolf, but that's in Miami. But we got to Drive Shack and I didn't feel well. I genuinely felt like I was going to throw up the whole time. If you're wondering why earlier we were showing the scores and the guys were like, "You're winning, but you didn't even play." It's because when it was my turn, they were swinging for me and doing practice rounds. I got maybe a few hits in, a little bit at the end. I think my body just needs rest. It could be because of the sun. Who knows? I don't know. I want to enjoy the sun tomorrow, so I need to get some rest. Good morning. I got a later start to the day, but I don't care because it meant I got to sleep in. It is currently about noon, which is probably not a good time to go to the beach, but I just got ready and I'm gonna head out to the beach after my phone charges a little bit more. Get to see how close I am to the beach. I'm literally a 3-minute walk. I'm so excited. One of the nice things about this Airbnb that I'm staying at, they give you a beach chair, they give you a beach umbrella, they also give you beach towels separate from the regular towels that they give you. Came back to the Airbnb to shower and I feel so good right now, so clean. However, I do need to go get some moisturizer as well as groceries, so I'm going to head to Publix, maybe Target. I also need something to eat because I have not eaten yet and it is 3:40 p.m. Kind of need some substance in me. Currently shopping, and the fact that I don't know what brands are good is stressing me out, but it's fine. I'm grocery shopping. Either way, I'll be fed. I officially have food to snack on, to make meals with, more water, and I mean, there's not. Why is there a chocolate bar? Just so we're aware, these are not me. And it was buy one get one free. I took it out and then I immediately went people shop. We're at Dick's Sporting Goods.
Yes, where Liz is gonna get a tennis racket to play tennis.
No. I like this one. It's pretty.
No. Dry fit stuff.
Dry fit.
Climate cool.
So we came here for no reason. Because I was trying to be a good daughter.
Hey, look at hats.
Ah, I don't like them. I love hats though.
The racket, the other racket?
Oh, no, I did not. Like that one. You always need Pokemon cards.
Yes. Figural bag clips. Spiderman. And stick. Celebration, everyone. They go Togepi too. Bulbasaur, Charmander, Squirrel.
Togepi's cute.
Yeah, they have them all.
Cute. I freaking love Lego.
That's all these prices. Oh, hey, cars. Hey, look it. Since when?
What the heck is it?
Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, Dragon Ball Super, actually.
As a card game?
It's always been, but it's never been that long.
Wait, it
Yo,
has?
Yeah,
I
it's always
did
been.
not know
Japan.
that. Oh, I like the Avatar one. That one looks sick.
So you can get the Egyptian god cards in a pack.
Okay.
That was never a thing. You had to like constantly just buy them and hope to get lucky. And then look, they even have like the things where you can just get them all.
Okay, wait, that's actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie.
Booster pack. Oh no, they're just booster packs. But it looks
Debated.
cool. It's debated, but look, like
Debated.
they have the wing. Dark World Structure. They have Slifer the Sky Dragon. Obelisk Tormentor.
All right, time for us to switch from Pokemon cards to Yu-Gi-Oh.
But look at how pretty that is.
So pretty.
So pretty.
You're so pretty.
I know I am.
I found my stuff.
Plants.
The plants and the wave. I really do want this wave. It looks so cute. Oh, I haven't seen this one. The dried centerpiece. I like this. This gives me like...
I can never take that word seriously anymore.
I don't understand.
You don't have to. You don't have to.
What's up, everyone? Thanks as always for watching.
It is now my time to go home. I'm going to the Airbnb. I just said goodbye to Benson, so I'll see you guys later.